Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add clock widget to iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen to return to the home screen. Navigate to the page where you want to place the clock widget. Touch and hold anywhere on the home screen until the app starts to jiggle. You will notice a plus or add button appear in the top right corner. Tap it to open the widget gallery. Scroll through the widget gallery to find the clock widget. Swipe across the available options until you find the word clock widget. The word clock widget comes in two sizes, a smaller version and a larger one. To add your preferred size, tap the Add Widget button or drag and drop the widget directly to your desired location on the home screen. Once the widget is placed, you can customize it by selecting the cities you want to display. Tap on Choose to add or change cities. If you forget to select a city during setup, do not worry. You can always update it later. Touch and hold the world clock widget. Tap Edit Widget. Replace or add new cities. And that is everything you need to know about how to add clock widget to iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.